Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a stop loss and take profit on the Kraken Pro app. So first open your Kraken Pro app and tap on the chart icon at the bottom. This will bring up the trading screen. Next, scroll down slightly until you see the option for TP, which is take profit, and SL for stop loss. Now, enter the amount you want to trade. You can choose the amount in Bitcoin or simply enter it in USD. For example, $10. After that, set your take profit level. This is the price where your trade will automatically close in profit. So, if the current price is around 103.000, you might set your taking profit at 110.000 or higher. Next, set up your stop loss. This will protect you if the price moves against your trade. For example, you can place it lower, like around 77.000, depending on your risk level. Once everything looks good, go ahead and buy or sell the assets and confirm the trade. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Just a quick reminder, this is not financial advice. Always trade carefully and do your own research.